Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and there are spray bottles and spray bottles and spray bottles, spray bottles, spray bottles. Now, hold on to it. There's another form of a spray bottle. This is the spray bottle. Hands-free. The spray bottle is rechargeable. Just this little area back here. It's charged in with our standard USB charges, and it does light up. So red, it's charging, green, it's fully charged, and blue is, well, it's in use. So you can see that blue charge, I'm now using it. You can very easily just open this up and refill it. And it comes with a weighted ball on the end, so it's going to stay in the bottom. It's not going to float. When we do that up, that little ball is going to stay on the bottom. So it doesn't matter if we're spraying in this direction, it's going to go to that side. So it has a very, very fine mist. If I want a thicker mist, I can just turn that, and it does a bigger mist. This little knob that is sticking out helps clean this nozzle if it needs to be cleaned, or it helps take the air out if air has collected inside this nozzle. So we use it at a 45-degree angle. And if this is a little clogged, it kind of makes a gurgly noise. This will help clear it out. This bottle is by the Acorn Company, and they do make a fabric treatment. Now this bottle is great for that treatment, but it can also be used with plain, simple water. We would be able to mist our plants, and we would be able to mist us. I remember there's been times where I have gone on vacation and they've had misting areas. When I went to Disney, they walked by and there was a very light mist that would spray on us. And that mist kept us cool. So this would be great for if you're taking children to the park, you could spray them down and cool them down. Or if they're playing sports, you can cool them down if you keep nice, cool water in here. Just push and spray. So it can be charged, it can be refilled, and it saves that pressure on our hands, especially if we're starching large surfaces or if we happen to have arthritis. This has only been on the market for about 3 weeks. So I've just got it and I've been playing with it, and it definitely is a lot of fun. Thanks for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I do have a newsletter, and I do like to try new things. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.